Hi, this video is going to cover DTools Project Sync. Click on Integrations. Look for the Sync with DTools. In order to get your project exported from DTools and to show up in this Projects 360 dropdown, first open up DTools. Click into Projects. On the project page, look for the proposal that you want to be able to export over. You'll notice at the top there's an Integrations tab. If your export button is grayed out, you can click on the client. You're going to have to check out the project. So when it does prompt, would you like to check out this file before opening it? Click on Yes. You can see here now, once the project is open, you'll now have an export button at the top. One thing you're going to want to ensure before you export over to us is that when you put in the project into our end, it's going to add any product that does not exist in Projects 360 to your products section. So it's always best practice to make sure that the DTools manufacturer and the model number for that product matches up with our Projects 360 brand and model number. This will allow you to avoid any duplicates being created. If all of your DTools product database was pulled into Projects 360, everything should match perfect at 100% match, so it wouldn't not create any duplicates for you. So if all that is verified, when you're ready to export, you can click on Export at the top. You can also close out the project if you wish to. Just when it does prompt, you want to check in the project. Click on No because we want to keep it checked out. Go ahead and click on Export. You'll see the prompt that it's been successfully exported. Go ahead and click on OK. Now we can close out Minimize DTools in Projects 360 once you refresh. You can see here we have our education sample. Click on the Sync DTools proposal. There'll be a prompt here for you to match the DTools client. Make sure you first always look at the match client to see if there's an existing match to Projects 360. That way this project gets pushed to the proper client in Projects 360. This is a brand new client, so we're going to confirm it as a new client and not make the match. Once you're taken into the proposal, you'll see here it's labeled at the top that it's been imported. All of your product will be listed here down below. As you can see, it's filtered from all these entries. All the same actions as our regular process from proposal and starting the whole project management side. On our end, if you go into the menu, you'll have several options here to proceed with that project management side of things. You can push the product and relate the project. You can see any change orders that were pushed. You can add a PO from here. You can see any associated POs. You can add your project if one hasn't been created already. And you can add your product to the PO queue. Thank you for watching DTools Project Sync.